Welcome. In this video, we will discuss how we can use Excel VBA to filter your data. Here we have our data. Now our data is already filtered for the city of Miami. Now you can make multiple selections, not just one. So we have Miami and we have Ocean City. So you can make single selections and multiple selections. So in this video, we will use VBA to do that. First, let's open our code window. Because our data is already filtered, the first part of our code is to check if autofilter is already on. Let's write our code. So the code here is saying if filter mode is on, then turn it off. So we're turning autofilter off so that way we can make our selections. Here is our code. Again, if autofilter is turned on, which it is, we will turn it off. And what the code is also saying, if autofilter is off, then apply our filter. So the second part of our code and we can copy the same code. Here is our code. Now let's run our code. And there you have it. Our selection changed from Miami to Las Vegas. Now, in addition to making a single selection, you can also use VBA to make multiple selections. Here we have Las Vegas. We will update our code to make multiple selections. And just as we did before, we can copy the same code. Here is our updated code where we have multiple selections. Now let's run our updated code. And there you have it, Las Vegas and Los Angeles. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and leave a comment.